Hello guys, let's fix Microsoft Edge is not opening, or if it's opening but it's not responding. So we are going to fix two problems. Okay, so let's get started and make sure you've watched the whole video and we will be able to fix it. So please follow me. So if it's opening but not responding, then what we can do is we'll open the Microsoft Edge and then we will click on the three dots and then we will go to settings. I'll come to that Microsoft Edge is not opening. I have a fix for that as well, so please don't worry about it. So here in the settings, go to reset settings. This is the option. And once you go to the reset settings, click on restore settings to their default values. Once you click on that, you will find reset settings and we just have to reset it here. The moment you will click on reset, you just have to close and just try to open Microsoft Edge's opening. And now let's fix that issue if it's not opening at all. For that, we need to do two things. The very first thing, we are going to repair this, and how we can do that is by doing a right click on the start icon and we'll go to settings. In the settings, look for apps, and once you click on apps, here look for Edge, or just type Edge in the result. Once you find the Microsoft Edge, just click on modify and click on repair. So it will fix the problem for you. But let's say if it doesn't, then what you can do is you can go to settings, in the search bar type Windows Update and just update the Windows. And let me know in the comment section. Please hit the like button if it has worked for you and subscribe